Here.
All right.
Keep turning till the yellow's gone. Keep going. All right, good.
Hold up.
We're good.
This isn't lined up.
This one.
Okay.
Just turn a little more. Yeah. Go ahead. All right, that's good. All right.
All right.
All right, that's good. No, don't worry about that right now. Okay, we got a round.
I got a round.
All right, get a round ready.
Round ready.
Here, wait. Okay. Round up good. We got the vehicles down. We need to hit that blue building right there.
The blue building?
Yeah. That's gonna be loud. You want to step away from it?
Yes, please step away from it.
Back.
All back. You stand a little bit to the right too.
All right.
You know, hold on.
Drop the round.
Fire the hole! Fire the hole!
Suck it! Reloading!
Get some more.
To the right, to the right.
Here, move it up more. Move it up more.
You bumped it?
We gotta move it forward more. Or can we angle it?
Hey, get the horn. Get the horn.
Hold on.
Undo the horn.
What? Might this be yours? Yeah.
No, that's not ours.
No.
Undo the bottom one.
Is that yours?
Move it forward.
Not?
Huh? Yeah, it's a knot. Just untie the knot. Roger.
Do you guys need help on this? I have
No, we got it.
Heavy AT. Is that yours or not?
You got the horn?
Almost. This is on there tight.
Yeah, I know. I didn't want to lose it.
Got the horn. Round ready. Need a round. Okay. Where are the rounds? Where did you give this to me? Do you remember? Yeah, I gave it to you over there. Okay, take it then. Here, can you just hold on to it? I need to round to move it to some other.
Well, hey, let me call.
Good.
Fire the hole! Oh, that's perfect! Oh! Perfect!
How much air's in it?
All right. Just do it by hand. Let's see. It's fine. Just do it by hand. Okay.
Let me call, please.
All right. I got to re-aim after I put this one. I mean,
Here, wait. We
re-aim.
need
All right.
to hit the blue building though.
We got the green guys on the other side of that thing.
We also have green guys holding everybody back.
I don't know if I can get behind that building. I got to get within 20 feet.
Okay.
All right, we're throwing smoke. All right, let's pop it. Drop it right there.
Yeah, come here and look. I'm probably not going to get that one back. It's right there on the oh, you building.
Dang it. Okay.
Okay.
Dropping.
Here, wait.
Let me call.
Wait.
Go.
Fire the hole!
Oh, that's up.
Ooh. That's perfect! That's kill!
Good hit! Woo!
Go! Hey, Lord boy, go loud. To the right of the
Dude, that fucking mortar ain't no joke.
Yeah, that's not ours.
Oh, it's not yours?
Negative.
We got guys taking this left side.
Underneath all of that shit.
We're
Oh, we can't really get
See
in.
where those blue barrels are? They're back in there. We can never have that. There's like 4 or 5.
Hey, we might be able to.
Davey, Jake needs you over there.
We'll need to put a tilt on
Shoot
it.
it over there and see what we get. Let's just throw it over there. Get a round ready.
You want to shoot it? You want me to?
Palmer, Schneider, I don't want to get my hand blown off.
Meh. Hands are overrated.
Don't put your finger on the trigger until you fire. He gets it.
We got some enemies over by the building.
Here we go.
All right, rounds in, hold up.
Ready?
I didn't hear go in.
We got green that are over there. We got some that are pushing
There she is.
Hold on, let me Good, fire.
We missed. That might be roof. Roof.
Oh, it's where finally.
Oh!
Movement right there.
Kills are where it lands.
Hey, admin, we got it behind that building. Admin.
Admin. Left side of the building. Admin.
We got that.
We got that in the building.
On the left side.
Squad, medic.
Hey, we got somebody right.
We're out. We're out of rounds. How much PSIs is left in that tank? We still have another.
900.
We might still have another shot.
Do we have the return of the first round?
No, we never got rounds back.
Should be right here.
Huh?
Should have been right here.
No, it's farther.
Where? You guys have eyes on that first round?
I see it. I have eyes. I have eyes.
You eyes?
You want me to go get it?
Is it real shitty?
It's a pretty shitty spot. Not gonna lie. I think I can get it.
How close is it to the admin?
No, it's about 50 feet from that stop sign.
Hold on.
You want me to go get it?
Putting this tank in the tank.
Well, wait. If I'm running for that round, no.
About to go here. Where's our?
You want me to go run for that round?
Okay, where's pressure?
How many rockets do you guys have?
We gotta go get one right now. That's what I'm about to go do.
I was about to say, you have a ton.
We had 5. We had 5.
Yeah, you think you would have more than that.
If we could return.
We do.
Well, no. No way.
But we don't have enough air for all that.
Wrong, Bobby, wrong! Holy shit!